Hi everybody! Welcome to our channel. Poor boy. We are in Scotland, guys. Somebody is sleepy head. Hey, are you asleep? Are you asleep? Okay, let's sleep. Oh. Are you just gonna sleep like that, Penyo? What is that? What is that? What is that noise? Is it a train? We parked next to the train station because tomorrow we're gonna go to Edinburgh. This morning was such a catastrophe in my van. I parked next to the beach and there was so much wind at night. But I went along with it. I fell asleep and the next morning I woke up and I looked on the floor. It was fully wet. It was completely wet. And then I looked up and I saw that my fan on top, that little window, was blown away. So yeah, as you see, Scotland really got me, welcomed me First I drove away to get a little bit shelter because it was too windy on the beach. Why did I even stay there? I don't know. And now I have to figure out how I can fix this. Because of one glue, I just don't understand how it works. Because if I would understand how the system is and how this curls up, I might can find a solution, but I have to think. Yeah, and then later on a man came by and he sort of just asked if I'm okay and he helped me along and drove me to the hardware store. He was so friendly. And I woke up in the morning, I put on my ski pants and my jacket and I looked like a total hobo and I felt so uncomfortable talking to the man. I didn't brush my teeth, I didn't do anything.
Me and my friends are going to go right up very top of Scotland, right along and come back down again, like, you know?
Yeah.
Beautiful.
So he lives there for quite some time then.
Oh yeah. He's travelled all over the world.
Wow.
His passport's full, like.
Well, thank you so much for taking me to the hardware store.
Sure,
because I was scared to drive with it too much and then
Yeah,
it was raining.
that's why I stopped.
Yeah, thank you so much.
That's why I stopped, It's not a boat you want, it's a bit of wood, isn't it?
It's just something that
like a dowel.
has the same size.
As you say, a dowel would have done it.
Or the one without the head. Yeah. But when you put it back down, I'm just gonna tape it because the rest is like flappy. Is it? Yeah, but it still opens till... Oh no. Wait. Can you close it fully? Is it closed? Yeah. So that's the max. It will still open a little bit when the wind comes, but at least no rain is gonna come in. Yeah, I'm just gonna tape the rest then just for winter. So that's the solution for now. Because of the morning, half of the day went already away, and you know, since it's winter, it gets dark so early up here. It feels like the nights are just so long, and it just feels weird, especially in the van, because I don't like to drive in the dark. And you know how Scotland welcomed me with mud, rain, fog, and almost being stuck in the mud again. It is. I'm in Scotland now, guys. I just arrived and I'm just driving to my campsite. I just tried to turn, I tried to dare because it didn't look too muddy, but it was muddy at the end, but I made it. There was a lot of smoke now. Oh my god, guys. Oh yeah, there's a lot of smoke now, but I made it. Got a bunch of Christmas decorations, guys. Yeah, because I thought it would be so cool to just decorate the whole van very Christmassy and to go along with, you know, the season. So I got several things that I don't know where to put them yet, but I think we should do it together and just have a lot of fun. I got these. I thought I could put them under the counter. And then this flag. Merry Christmas. And maybe just along here somewhere. I don't know. It's plenty of things here. And just, actually it's not that much. We have a little bit of that. And also a little thing For me, it just reminded me a little bit of me and Penyo. I don't know. I want to put this whole ceiling full of fairy lights. I think that could be looking nice. I got myself a calendar. You know, when was the last time I had one? I was a teen. Oh, I got this for my clothes, washing, laundry. And what? Are you for real? She really forgot that? Oh no. I walked out with this and it didn't peep. Oh, come on. Oh, that store is very close. I'll just go there tomorrow, actually. Cause it was so fluffy. Look. It was so fluffy. And I thought, you know, it's so good for winter. Do you want to help me? I'm totally ready for winter. As you see, I'm wearing my tights underneath. The last time I asked the question on my Instagram, what people assume that could be. And I had the weirdest theories, but I'm gonna show you now what it actually is for. But some people actually got it right. So the other day I was watching that. I was too lazy to hold it. But then yeah, I was just like that, and I was sitting there watching my Netflix series. And some people were saying to lift your arm, to lift your leg, gymnastic, sexual stuff, all kinds of weird ideas. Okay, I would say we're gonna put this all around here, right? I think that could be so cute. We might start hanging this off. And this, oops, I almost ripped my whole wall off. This one doesn't have a tag, no tag. Oh, it's already so Christmassy. I do have to say, I am amazed by the friendliness of the people, of the British people that I've encountered so far. Today, I was having my trash and I wanted to trash it into a bin. And a lady came all of a sudden. She's like, are you okay? I was like, yes, I'm just searching for trash. And then she all of a sudden she said, oh, it's okay. I'm gonna take it for you and trash it in my bin. I was like, what? And then I was like, really? And she's like, yeah, it's no problem. Thank you for collecting the trash. And I was like, oh wow, thank you so much. Every decoration has to be sort of tight, because when I drive, it should not fall. It's already such a difference. I love it already. So I'm having this little box of everything, and I need a hook like this, and I'm gonna just swap it. Normally you would see my butt, but you can't because I'm wearing tights underneath. Have you been already decorating? I don't know if you're a Christmas type of person. I've never really been, since like my parents never decorated at home. Maybe we had some light bulbs around the windows, but that's about it. And we never had a Christmas tree. Oh my gosh, that is almost too much, right? But can we ever be too much? I don't think so. It's cute, it's framing the window so well. I think I'm just gonna use that to secure it. I should put Christmas music on. What am I doing here? Wait, girl. Oh my god, that is some fancy stuff right here. Oh, that fits perfectly.
This year, have a holly jolly Christmas.
How do I put this one? Difficult to put. Loving it already. Oh my god, are you feeling Christmassy? I'm feeling so Christmassy. I'm gonna hang it all up and then I'm gonna show you. Penyo, come here. And look guys, I have the cutest reindeer in town. Right? He's like, I hate you. Let me sleep. Penny do. By the way, he has his own Instagram account now in case you want Penyo daily. Da, 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 da. Oh, he is so cute. Weihnachtsbäckerei. Wait, I was not finished yet. I'm not done. Gibt so manche Leckerei. Zwischen Mehl und Mehl macht so mancher Knilch eine riesengroß in der Weihnachtsbäckerei. In der Weihnachtsbäckerei. Turn you to stick. Oh my god, I'm so in love. I'm so in love with my Christmas stuff. It's pretty cold today. It's 1 a.m. and I got hungry. I forgot to eat today. I had a cheesecake before in a coffee store. And then I was like, oh, it's so late, I don't want to cook. And I was like, okay, maybe I can do it without food, but I can't. So I got in my pajamas and I have this covered up because, you know, the front with the windows and so it's getting really cold. So I just covered it up so it doesn't get too cold. I mean, it's still cold and you can feel actually underneath the cold air is coming kind of through. Oh, I forgot. I put that on. I forgot to put the toast here. The bread. You know what my favorite bread is? This rustic bread with this thick crust. Oh my god, I love it. And I've been figuring out a good solution lately to toast my bread. Look, it looks like that. So they don't get too burned. But there's actually a toaster that I said, okay, that's on my wish list for Christmas. So I'm gonna show you in a little bit how everything looks like. I think I went a little bit off the notch. Up the notch. I think I went just a little bit crazy. It is quite full. It's really a winter wonderland. Ah, my bread is burning. Okay, that's a bit too strong. Wait. I didn't want to eat, but I got so hungry and I can't fall asleep with this belly. I hate it. Oh, I hated to fall asleep hungry. So I'll show you in a little. No, I have to. What did I say last? Why do I keep always losing my focus? I don't know what is wrong with me. It just always happens. It's like I can't keep focus on one thing and my mind just switches. And as soon as it switches, I forgot everything what happened before. And I'm so wide awake. And I should be asleep because tomorrow I'll go to Edinburgh. Edinburgh. He was sleeping in the front of the car and then he came because he heard me. But you don't like avocado. You're not vegetarian. You don't need to look at me like that. So let me give you this really quick tour. The Christmas Santa Claus and Penny was the reindeer. Hey, you are the reindeer. And then we have the Merry Christmas at the door. And then we have my calendar. And then those fairy lights. And I'm not sure about that snow. I don't know if I like it. Because I have the same snow right here at the counter. And then I have my candy stick. And just the lametta going all the way. Yeah, it's actually not that much. But it looks like a lot. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the decoration and I'm gonna see you very soon. Bye and good night. I need to eat. So bye.